सर, इमाम एंड मौजन सर, व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट रमजान का महीना है सर, फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर साहब से बोलूंगा, इमाम, मौजन, अचालिकास, उगादी का भी मौका है सर, अचालिकास को भी दे दीजिए, रमजान का महीना है, इमाम और मौजन को भी दे दीजिए सर। बिकॉज आई नो दिस कांग्रेस एंड द कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट के लिए सब बराबर है, चाहे हिंदू हो, मुसलमान हो, सिख हो, ईसाई हो, हर कोई बराबर है। तो इसलिए आई एम सेइंग उगादी है, अचालिकास को भी दे दीजिए, आप रमजान है, इमामों को भी दे दीजिए, मौजनीन को भी दे दीजिए सर। सर ऑल्सो द आई वुड से द ऑनररी रेम्यूनरेशन टू पास्टर्स विच वे प्रॉमिस सर। लेंट का पीरियड चल रहा है सर, जैसा मुस्लिम्स फास्ट करते हैं, क्रिश्चियंस भी फास्ट करते हैं सर ये टाइम में। तो सर वो क्रिश्चियंस के भी लिए आपने पास्टर्स को भी देने का मैं आपसे मुतालबा करूंगा सर। एंड ऑल्सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट दैट ऑनोरियम शुड बी गिवन टू गुरुद्वारा ग्रंथीज ऑल्सो सर। गुरुद्वारा के ग्रंथी जो है उनको भी देने के लिए मैं मुतालबा करूंगा। एंड ऑल्सो यू हैड प्रॉमिस्ड द सेटअप अ माइनॉरिटी वेलफेयर बोर्ड सर, रेजिडेंशियल स्कूल फॉर माइनॉरिटी गर्ल्स, प्रोवाइड प्रमोशन एंड रिकग्निशन फॉर उर्दू लैंग्वेज सर, स्पेशल एफर्ट टू बी टेकन फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ दलित एंड क्रिश्चियन सर, दलित क्रिश्चियन सर। तो मैं आपके प्रोमिसेस के बारे में कह रहा हूं सर। एंड सर मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सर, I'll be concluding sir in next 5 minutes sir. Sir, one important issue which I really want to bring to your kind notice is that this is about the overseas scholarship sir. Sir, about the overseas scholarship sir. Sir, amount which needs to be released sir, 23 sir, 23 for the year 23 fall sir. I'm just not able to find that paper sir, but I would say that sir, so the candidates, the students who have been selected in the year 2023 sir, their amount is yet to be released sir. So the question arises is that sir, we are in 2025, the master's course is either for 1 year or 1.5 years or 2 years. So they have completed their course sir, and the amount is not yet been released sir. So I request sir, I request Honorable Finance Minister Sahab to kindly release the amount of this overseas scholarship sir, and MTF and RTF amount is also pending. I hope that Honorable Finance Minister Sahab would also release the MTF and RTF sir. And also sir, I would like to say that sir, the government was very kind enough to allocate, or budget was estimated for minority welfare department was 3002 crores sir. Sir, BROs issued were 2748.72, and the amount released is 1348.36 sir. If we have to see the allocation made and the amount released, the percentage is only 45%. Sir, through you I request sir, अभी भी थोड़ा टाइम है सर, अभी भी वक्त है, कुछ थोड़ा अमाउंट इसमें रिलीज करिए सर। The major chunk has gone to, the major chunk 703.57 has gone towards TIMRI salaries and expenses sir. But sir, through you honorable panel speaker sir, I may be wrong sir, but I come with my research. And I'm saying, I don't know whether Honorable Finance Minister Saab is aware of this. Sir, every month, 7 crores is required only to pay the rent of the Telangana minority residential schools which are running in rental buildings. From last 10 months, sir, the rent has not been paid. Yes, sir, it has not been paid, sir. As of now, 70 crores is required, sir. If we take this month also, sir, it will be 10 months, 9 months se nahi diye hain, sir. Many owners of the buildings have gone to the court. They're getting orders from the court, and many owners of the buildings have gone to the court stating that, please issue orders of eviction. We want the school to be evicted from here. Sir, I request, if not the entire 9 or 10 months rent sir, आप कम से कम एक 3 महीने 4 महीने का दे दीजिए सर. They will understand, they'll wait. And most of them, old city में जितने जो माइनॉरिटी रेजिडेंशियल स्कूल्स हैं सर, उसके ओनर्स हैं, बेचारे पूरे लोग परेशान है. रमजान का महीना है, थोड़े पैसे उनके भी रिलीज कर दीजिए सर, उनकी भी ईद अच्छी हो जाएगी. ये and sir, I have always been requesting about this MTF and RTF sir. Scholarship dues, sir. Sir, we have to release some amount, sir, in the scholarship amount also, sir. SC, STs, BCs, minorities, all the students, sir, their courses are completed. And also, sir, through you, sir. Sir, through you, I would like to request the government is that please call for a meeting, sir. Let us have a meeting, sir, of all education institutes, sir. And we need to relook, restudy the MTF and RTF, sir. We need to do it, sir. There are some few corrections which are required. I do not want to come on record, but there are many corrections which are required, sir. Sir, also Arogyashri dues, sir. Sir, Arogyashri dues, sir, if I have to mention about the two hospitals which my party and runs, Owaisi Hospital and also Asra Hospital, sir, the dues आज की तारीख में sir 39 crores due है, sir. Sir, how would we run? But still, sir, we are not refusing any poor patient. We are doing our work, sir, because what we feel that a nation cannot be developed only by the government. Every citizen should participate in the nation's development. And we are also lending our support by waiting for the amount due and treating the patients and not refusing the poor patients. Because we think that it is our responsibility also. But the government needs to have some formula, some way, some method with which they are going to release the amount for Arogyashri, sir. Arogyashri में नहीं देंगे तो गरीब का इलाज नहीं होगा. मैं आपके जरिए मिनिस्टर साहब से दरखास्त करूंगा कि आप एक मीटिंग भी बुलाइए. सर, आरोग्यश्री में देयर आर मेनी, बहुत सारी बीमारियां हैं जिनका जो कवरेज है बहुत कम पैसों पे है, सर. जिसकी वजह से व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज, सर, कि द मेनी कॉर्पोरेट हॉस्पिटल्स आर रिफ्यूजिंग दोस पेशेंट्स. दे आर नॉट एडमिटिंग दोस पेशेंट्स. तो मैं आपके जरिए मिनिस्टर साहब से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि एक मीटिंग आप हॉस्पिटल्स की बुलाइएगा. जो भी एम्पैनल्ड है, जो पैनल में है डॉक्टर्स, उनको बुलाइए, उनके सजेशंस लीजिए. द मोर अ पुअर पेशेंट सफर्स इज व्हेन हिज फैमिली मेंबर गोज इनटू अ क्रिटिकल केयर, सर. सीसीयू, क्रिटिकल केयर में सर वेंटिलेटर, और उसके बाद में दवाएं, उसके बाद में ऑक्सीजन, डॉक्टर्स, फिर दूसरे डॉक्टर्स, नर्सिंग स्टाफ, ये सब मिला लेते हैं. तो दिन को कम से कम नो प्रॉफिट नो लॉस पर भी अगर देखते हैं तो 20,000 तो कम से कम खर्च होता है. लेकिन हमारे पास से जो देते हैं गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से, इट इज हार्डली सम 10,000 चेंज, सर. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज कि नो हॉस्पिटल इज एडमिटिंग एनी पेशेंट इन क्रिटिकल केयर. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे एरियाज हैं वेयर इन there is a scope where we can relook into it. And I would say, sir, I always remember one great leader, sir. That is Dr. Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy, sir. He was the person who started this Arogyashri, sir. I remember, sir. I was there. He had called me. He asked me, Akbar, what are you doing? I said, sir, I'm sitting here. I want to have some insurance scheme for my party workers and my party people. So he said, who are there? I said, sir, there are some insurance guys. I'm having a meeting. You're serious? You want to do this? Well, yes, sir, I want to do it. So he said, you bring them to my office. Bring them immediately. Then Rajshekar Reddy sir, we all sat there, and I saw the commitment in which he was really interested in providing the free treatment in corporate hospital to the poor patients, sir. So I pray that God bless his soul for doing this wonderful work, sir. Wonderful work, I would say, the Arogyashri, which is still continuing, and so many patients are getting benefited, sir. And sir, we need to strengthen this. At the same time, I thank the government for increasing it from 5 lakh to 10 lakh, sir. आप करे हैं, sir. उसके लिए भी मैं आपका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ. This was needed, sir. And moreover, sir, why I say that we need to relook into it is that, sir, that these days we see that every household is having one dear one or a close one suffering from cancer, sir. Sir, this cancer is really taking away the lives of people, sir. और एक गरीब कैसे कैंसर का इलाज करेगा, sir? Sir, one injection which immunotherapy which is given with this chemotherapy now, that one injection is costing 2.4 lakhs, sir. Immunotherapy, earlier they used to give only chemotherapy. Now chemo plus immunotherapy is happening, sir. So this injection is costing, sir. So there are many things, sir. So through you, sir, I request the Honorable Minister, sir, call for a meeting, sir. Let us give some suggestions. And I know this is a government which cares for the poor people. I know this is a government which cares for the people who are sick and ill, who cares for the people who are in need. And we are also standing here to help the people, sir. Sir, the reason is that, sir, I do not want to criticize. One wants to change the names. Mubarak unko. No, sir, I am not standing here to change the name, sir. I am standing here to change the lives of the poor people, sir. And I am recommending and requesting and suggesting the government for improvement of life of the poor people, sir. That is more important.